When you log into your hosted Graphite account, you'll be brought to your main account overview dashboard. It has been designed to be as easy as possible to find what you're looking for to get started with your monitoring. On the left side of the screen is the navigation toolbar. Here you'll find your dashboards, metric features, alerts, agents, add-ons and integrations, team features, and other account settings. One of the first things you'll notice is the number of metrics that you are sending to your account. A metric is a unique time series collection of name-value data. Metrics can be sent to our hosted Carbon endpoint using a variety of protocols and agents. We timestamp, aggregate, and store these metrics for easy visualization on graphs and for creating alerts. We also offer a straightforward pricing model and do not differentiate in price on the type of metric you send or its source, so one metric is one metric. We only charge based on the total number of unique metrics that you want to send and store with us, and not the number of data points we receive. Now, let's jump into the dashboards. Dashboards allow you to visualize your metric data and get useful and actionable insights into your infrastructure, all in a central source of truth. Get an overview of what is happening with the services you are monitoring, analyze the performance of your infrastructure, and make accurate forecasts and projections. Get started by putting a metric into the query field. The data is displayed in a time series format, and you can apply Graphite functions to the metric. This provides many options for manipulating the data in ways most useful to you. To get more granular insights into a particular time frame, just click and drag a section of the dashboard, and it will zoom in. Alternatively, just choose the time frame from the drop-down menu, and you can also set an automatic refresh interval. There are numerous ways to visualize your metrics, including graphs, stats, gauges, tables, heat maps, and more. These dashboards can be quickly and easily created from metrics you send to us using the hosted Graphite data source. Hosted Graphite has a unified alerting platform to help manage all your alerts, rather than on each dashboard. You and your team can create customizable alerts not only on specific metrics, but also on the account itself. Graphite alerts are easy to configure, and our alerts trigger from values upon ingestion, rather than upon render, resulting in faster response times to alert queries. Boost the efficiency of your incident monitoring by setting notification channels best for you and your team. You can send alerts to email, webhooks, Slack, or PagerDuty, which also supports phone-based notifications like SMS. There are several main ways to send metrics from your system to hosted Graphite. Best way to send metrics from your servers and instances is to use an agent. Some of the agents we support include our own hosted Graphite agent, Telegraph, StatsD, and CollectD. You can also send custom application metrics directly from your code using a socket connection. Hosted Graphite also has integrations with many popular services, including AWS, Azure, Heroku, Papertrail, and New Relic, allowing you to visualize and monitor different parts of your infrastructure in a single pane of glass. Hosted Graphite offers consolidated and flexible diagnostics for those who require metrics from a variety of sources. Add-ons allow you to gather data from third-party services at the click of a button. Then you can generate automatic dashboards so you can see the information you need on detailed dashboards in a matter of minutes. Managing team members on your hosted Graphite account is easy. You can control who is on your team and set their permissions for the level of access you want them to have to your dashboards. Use access keys for sharing dashboards and hosting dashboards or your Graphite data locally. You can also configure single sign-on options through our SAML integration. Getting started is easy. Just sign up for a 14-day free trial at MetricFire.com or follow the link in the description. For more information on how we can help you and your business, visit us at MetricFire.com. Or if you have any questions, reach out to us at sales@MetricFire.com or our support channel. Thank you very much.